one of the fans, and I have one more on the upper deck. This is the highest speed. Coming up closer. Here's the string, the pull. It's off. Level 1. Level 2. And level 3. Doesn't really need to be on level 3, but I do it. And you can move it around, adjust, whatever, and twist it. So somebody posted this of it like dramatically shaking. You obviously need to tighten it. So that's my suggestion for that. So sorry about the smoke bomb graffiti. I'm gonna power wash soon, but I just wanted to do a review of the fan. I really love the fans. I'm always bringing my bedroom fan out. It's one of these big metal ones because I cannot live without a fan when I'm sleeping at night. So I've always had the big metal fans. I had one for over 20 years that took a poo on me, and before I got the one that I have now in my room. Then I got these, and I'm like, hey, these gotta be good, right? And I did shop around before making a decision. I got the best bang for the buck quality fans. Thumbs up.
What's going on, guys? I'm doing a review here on the 18-inch outdoor fans. 3-speed. I went ahead and mounted them here on my exterior pergola. So far, I can say it's a great product. Very easy to install. It makes a big difference in the patio. So this is the first speed. Second. And third. Not too loud. Blows a lot of air. And they look real nice. I would recommend to buy these without a doubt.
Welcome to my workshop. I just got this fan installed. It's been working very well. One thing I will say in terms of when installing it is uninstall the actual fan piece itself, hang the actual hanging bracket, and once you do that, put the fan up. You're gonna have to put it up one side at a time, but that does make it easier to hang. And of course, if you have someone else's help, that's great. Also, another thing is, when working with this fan, that little string there that controls the speed of the fan, you're gonna have to cut it depending on how you mount it so it doesn't get down into the fan and twirl around and mess things up. But so far, this fan is working great. I got 2 more on the way and I can't wait to get that. I should have got this place insulated. I didn't, but these fans actually really help. Thank you very much. Bye.
I've got 2 of these on my back porch. I was worried they'd be loud, but they're not too bad.
All done, easy peasy.